Nah, but what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Matt back with another video. You feel me? Today's video, we will be installing these right here, these bad boys. We got some muffler tips. We'll be installing these today. They look nice, they look fat as fuck. Damn, today the muffler will be getting deleted. Sexy ass M550. Feel me? I don't know why bro got the car in reverse. Hey yo. Car is up on the left. Time to get active. Damn, I'm about to cut the muffler. I'm using my phone, y'all, because I left my camera. So don't worry about the quality. For me, we're about to straight pipe this car today. Shit about to be damn loud. Damn. She look dirty though, I ain't gonna lie. I gotta give her a wash. Gotta get my car a wash and shit like that. Shit like that. Alright. But yeah, we outside. I mean, look at that Q though. I mean, G. Fuck am I talking about Q? That's a nice G. That's the lowest fuck too on the coilovers. Looks alright. Damn, but look at the. That shit look nice. That shit dirty though. I gotta give her a wash. She super dirty. Say goodbye to the mufflers. For me, I gotta give her an oil change. Soon. Yo, these tires look fat. They don't look fat on camera, but in person they look fat. But I gotta give her an oil change soon. For me, y'all gonna see what's coming. You feel me? I don't want to spill too much tea, but as y'all can see from the title right now, all we're doing today is getting the car straight pipe. That's it.
So the only thing you would have to figure out is a 50-50 chance that if I take off the disconnect the valves, it might throw an engine code. Maybe, but I wouldn't know how.
All right, do that then. Let me see. Do it and let me see. So he's telling me if they take the valves off, it might throw an engine light on. Yeah, no. What y'all think, chat? I ain't gonna lie, I'm not trying to drive around with no engine lights on my car though, I ain't gonna lie. But it is what it is, bruh. They just disconnect the valve. Wait, can the valve stay on it? I don't know, let me know, chat. Let me know what's up. I don't know if the valve could stay on it or what. I don't know. Let me know what y'all thinking in the comments if I should come back and let them put it back on or what. Bro already got the muffler removed. The muffler is now removed from the car. That's what it looked like. Yes sir, time to get straight pipe. That shit better be loud, bro. I swear to God. The loudest vid in this bitch. Now let me stop. Nah, but yeah, this shit about to be loud though. Alright. The muffler's out. The muffler is out. Dang. What the fuck? Lambo truck. Hold on. Let me find out. Niggas got Lambo truck out here. Hold on. But yeah, y'all. For me, this is supposed to be a tire shop / muffler shop. This is why I came. This is the last time I came here. I came here to get my resonator delete. This is the same shop. I never made a video on that, but yeah. We're back again at the same shop. And then this is the exhaust. I don't know if y'all. This is the muffler. Some aftermarket shit, eBay shit. Y'all don't see nothing. Y'all don't see too much. We soon upgrade. We soon get a full exhaust system in this car. I don't know. Might do that. I don't know yet. I don't know. I don't know how long I'm gonna keep this car for. I ain't gonna lie. My boy over there making shit work. Bro, getting that shit done. Almost there. My boy done. Oh, well done. Straight pipe. Looks good. Damn. Should look good, right?
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir. The motherfucker's out. And shit like that. So now I'm about to pay the bill. I'm about to pay. That shit costs $250. You feel me? It's not expensive. Not expensive at all. Shit like that. So now I'm about to pay $250. They said $150 for each side. So you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So now I'm about to get this bill over with, and I'm gonna let y'all hear the car and shit like that. Damn. Nah, they should look good, bro. What the fuck? Damn. That should look different. That should change the exhaust alone changed the whole back of the car, bro. Fuck these ugly ass tips. These tips is ugly as fuck. Damn, this should look fat. Damn. Hold on, man. This should look good. This should look good. This should look good. Oh, God. Oh, God, this should look good. That shit sounds good. It didn't really get that loud to me, and I thought it would be louder, but it's cool. It's cool, whatever. Oh, yeah, this should look good. I mean, it kind of come out a little bit too far. Actually, I don't know. But they look good. It should look good, bro. No cap. Yes, sir. So we just left the shop. But I head home right now. You know what I'm saying? The car is fully straight pipe. I'm a little excited. I don't know if it's loud or what. But we're about to find out right now. I know y'all heard that. like, yo, bro. I know y'all heard that just now, bro. This shit it's not too loud, but it's decent. It sounds better than how it was from before, you know what I'm saying? Hell. It's been raining a lot. She's dirty, as you could tell. She's super dirty. As you boys could tell, man, you could see. As you boys could see, man. I got the muffler tips installed. They don't look too bad. They look good. Car is dirty. Don't mind that. It's been raining. I was supposed to actually give her a wash today, but I didn't get to because it has been raining. The back look nice. You know what I'm saying? The tips, the muffler tips still look good. This shit look good as fuck. Let me give you a little side view of how it look on the side. But to give you a nice little cold start. All right. All right, so I'm gonna let you boys hear what the car sound like. So I ain't gonna lie, it's been raining a lot. I ain't gonna lie, for the past 2 days. So I haven't got any chance to make, oh no, run that back. It's been raining for the past 2 days. I ain't gonna lie, so I haven't got any chance to catch some footage of how the car sound for you boys, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna try to see if I could let you boys hear how the car sound. I'm gonna see if I could catch some footage to let you boys hear how the car sound. You feel me? Because yeah, I'm just trying right now. Oh, there's a car behind me. Fuck. But so this is how the car sound, boys, you know what I'm saying? It's been raining a lot. It's wet outside. I'm not gonna do too much, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna try my best to let you boys hear how the car sound, you know what I'm saying? There's a car behind me. You feel me? I gotta speed it up a little bit. But yeah, it's raining, bro, you feel me? But I'm gonna try my best to catch some little footage for you boys so you can hear how the car sound, you know what I'm saying? So this is how it sound in comfort mood, like comfort mood, you know what I'm saying? Sounds good, sounds decent. But I'm gonna put it in sport mode right now, you know what I'm saying? Sport mode, that motherfucker. Damn, y'all heard that? Oh my God, damn, chill. I know y'all could hear them little pops on bangs. That should sound good, right? Yo, bro. It's not that loud though, I ain't gonna lie. So it's not that loud. It's really not that loud. I thought it would have been way louder than this, I ain't gonna lie. But I'm gonna try to give you a little punch right here. And remember, it's wet, so I can't do too much. Feel me? Yes, sir. Talk to me. Hold on. Oh my God, hold on. Nah. Yo, I was sliding just now. Damn. That bitch was turning like, that shit tough. Oh my God, bro, I'm sliding. This shit got too much power. Swear to God. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, I'm fake scared, bro. I'm scared. I swear to God, I'm scared. I swear to God, I'm scared, bro. I'm fucking scared, bro.